Hello everyone. In today's video class, you are going to learn how to group the capacitor to get desired capacitance value and voltage values. Grouping of capacitors. Grouping of capacitors is nothing but connecting the capacitors in series or parallel or both in series and parallel combinations. Capacitor in series. When capacitor is connected end to end in series connections, the total capacitance value decreases and total voltage value increases. Let us discuss how. Remember, always in series circuit the current remains constant and the total voltage is sum of voltage across each component. Assume three capacitors, namely C1, C2 and C3 are connected in series. Let the voltages be V1, V2 and V3 respectively, and Q be the charge which remains constant throughout the circuit. In series circuit, the total voltage is equal to sum of voltage across each capacitor. So, we can write V total is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 as equation 1. In capacitor, we know that V is equal to Q by C. Substitute this in equation 1. So, now it becomes Q by C is equal to Q by C1 plus Q by C2 plus Q by C3. By simplifying this, finally, we get the total capacitance value 1 by C total is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Let the capacitance value of the capacitors be 10 microfarad each. To find the total capacitance, just substitute the values in the formula 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. By simplifying this equation, we get the total capacitance C as 3.33 microfarad, which is lesser than the capacitance of the individual capacitors. This shows in series connections of capacitors, the total capacitance value will decrease. Suppose you need a capacitor setup of 20 microfarad 450 voltage. If you have 3 capacitors, each 60 microfarad 150 voltage. By connecting them in series, the total voltage becomes 450. This is achieved by adding the 3 capacitor individual values. To find the total capacitance, just substitute the 60 microfarad in the formula 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. By simplifying this equation, we get the total capacitance C as 20 microfarad. This shows by connecting the capacitors in series, we can achieve desired capacitance and voltage values. Capacitors in parallel. When you connect the capacitors in parallel side by side as shown in the picture, the total capacitance value will increase and the total voltage remains constant. Let us discuss how. Always remember, in parallel circuit, the total current is equal to the sum of current flowing in each branch, but the voltage remains constant since all the capacitors shares the same two connection point. When you connect the capacitor in parallel, their parallel plate area combines. Since the capacitance value is directly proportional to the area of the plate, more area gives more capacitance value. So, the total capacitance can be written as C total is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Suppose you need a capacitor setup of 60 microfarad 24 volt. If you have 3 capacitors, each 20 microfarad 24 volt. By connecting them in parallel, we get the desired voltage 24 volt since the connection is parallel. To find the total capacitance, just substitute the values in the formula C total is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. From this, we get the total capacitance as 60 microfarad. This shows when capacitors are connected in parallel, the total capacitance value increase and the voltage remain constant. By connecting the capacitors in parallel, we can achieve the desired capacitance value and the voltage values. You can also connect the capacitors in the combinations of series and parallel to get the desired capacitance and voltage values. Suppose you need a capacitor setup of 40 microfarad 90 volt. If you have capacitors of 60 microfarad 30 volt each, when you connect 3 capacitors in series, you will get the desired voltage of 90, but the total capacitance becomes 20 due to series connections. To increase the capacitance value from 20 to 40 microfarad, you can connect another identical series combination of 3 capacitors in parallel with the first series group. Now, you have 2 series group connected in parallel and their capacitance value is added up now. So, total capacitance value become 40 microfarad, which is desired one. So far, in this video class, you have learned how to connect the capacitors in series, parallel, in the combination of series and parallel to get the desired capacitance and voltage values. Thank you for watching.